Welcome to this video on slaying phantom loads. We'll explore how to identify and eliminate the hidden energy waste in your home using a multimeter as your guide for energy audits. What is a power vampire? These are devices that continue to draw between 1 and 20 watts of power, even when turned off. They consume energy for standby modes, internal clocks, remote sensors, and holding data in memory. Safety first. Never attempt to measure high-voltage AC mains directly by splicing cords, as this is extremely dangerous. Instead, focus your auditing efforts on low-voltage DC devices, like those using batteries or external power bricks, which offer a much safer testing environment. To perform a DC circuit intercept, first set your multimeter to its highest current setting to protect its fuses. Disconnect the device's DC barrel plug, then bridge the connection with your meter probes so current flows through it to measure the draw. Even small amounts of waste add up. For example, a device drawing just 3 watts while idle can result in 26 kilowatt hours of wasted electricity per year. It pays to find these hidden drains. For advanced auditing, you can use the parasitic voltage drop method. By measuring minute voltage drops across a fuse in systems like backup inverters, you can detect if current is leaking without having to disconnect wires. The safest way to audit AC appliances is with a dedicated plug-in wattmeter. Simply plug the meter into the wall, connect your appliance to the meter, and you can instantly see the real-time wattage and cumulative cost of the device when it's supposedly turned off. Choosing your tool depends on your target system and your comfort level. From DC current measurements for electronics to simple plug-in monitors for household appliances, there is a method available for every skill level to safely audit your energy usage. Common rogue devices often include smart TVs, gaming consoles, microwaves with clocks, desktop computers in sleep mode, and any external power adapters that stay plugged in even when not in use. Finally, apply your findings. Use smart power strips to completely cut power to entertainment centers, and always unplug idle charging bricks. If a charger feels warm to the touch, it is wasting energy, so pull the plug.